Hello, one of the resources that we have in the Canvas shelf of the class under all of the pages is a resource called Simplified Plotting. Clicking on the Simplified Plotting button will bring you to a page that has two main parts. The top part shows you the plot dialog box and just reminds you of what you're supposed to be doing if you want to plot from AutoCAD. It gives you the 7 steps in order that are necessary before you should be hitting the OK button to send your plot to either the printer or to a PDF writer or to some other format. The lower half of the page, though, has something for troubleshooting. So these are common questions that you might be asking if we were in the classroom and I was right there to help you. For example, how do I print a physical copy of a CAD drawing on paper using a plotter or printer? So you have to print, you forgot how. The link will bring you out to YouTube and you can watch the video on how to make a quick plot, and it's a very short video. Here's another one. Sometimes we have to print or plot a PDF file. A PDF file is an electronic file of your CAD drawing. It's not the CAD drawing, but it is a electronic printout. So how do we do that? Same thing. You can click on the link, it will bring you out to YouTube, and it will set you up with the video on how to create your PDF file. Here's probably the most useful one though, because the steps are not hard, but the question is, what do I do when things don't work? So what should I do if the plot preview does not look like I expected it to? If we're not going to get what we want, how do we fix the problem if the instructor's not right next to you and it's convenient for you to ask a question? So there are two main problems that people run into. One is scaling. The other one is the plot area, and this will help you through both of those major problems. The following video, what do all these different plot settings refer to? So a lot of times we just automatically fill in the boxes and eventually we fill them in by memory, but we might not understand exactly what we're setting and why are there different settings, and how come when you change the plotter name you get different options. So this video is for plot nerds who want to know what all these different settings refer to. Finally, what is a plotter? We talk about that in the course pack, but here's a nice little Wikipedia concise version. And here we have a video clip of an old school plotter in action. And you'll see why these machines are called plotters and not printers back in the day. Okay, so this is our simplified plotting dialog box and page. It gives you some troubleshooting tips. So if you're stuck, I would go to here for refreshers, reminders, and instruction on how to get unstuck.